keeping a group just leaving at a Metrotron station at the track maintenance there a few days ago, like over a week now. We were working around the Metrotron station there, the Peanut Railway group anyway. Couldn't just leaving from them out of the station, heading back to the depot. Well, good morning. I had to hear some clips from SkyTrain out of Westminster and some other area, but I didn't know it's basically because we're got the Brazilian restaurant from the other side just going down towards the Quayside Drive. So very interesting. Anyway, Brazilian food, and there's a mixed compilation in here. So with other parts of transit celebrating over 40 years and stuff. So please enjoy and whatever it is. So I enjoyed. Yep.